Hey everybody, welcome back. Now I don't do a lot of firearms related content on YouTube because YouTube kind of frowns on it. I'd love to do more, but that's just how things are. But today I came across something that I think is worthy of giving you some information on, and that is the Breakthrough Carbon Pro. This stuff works so well, and I know cleaning videos are okay. So today we're going to show you how it works on supposedly a clean barrel. Let's check it out. Now, if you're like me and you've gone to the range and you've shot and you come home and you sit down, you relax, you have a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage and you start cleaning your firearms, you know it can be, a long task depending on how many you've shot that day. I enjoy it myself. I actually like it. It's kind of my downtime where I'm not thinking about YouTube. I'm not thinking about anything else. I'm just sitting here kind of zenned out cleaning my guns. And it can be a very smelly process, very stinky process. And that stuff isn't necessarily very good for you. Some of that stuff can be downright bad for you. So today we are looking at an odorless, non-carcinogenic, user-safe product that's safe for you and your equipment. It is also biodegradable, and we all know that this product has been known to the state of California to cause cancer warning, the Prop 65. It is Prop 65 exempt. It is truly pH neutral, which means it's safe on any surface or finish, including wood, polymer, stainless steel, nickel, blue, Cerakote, or any hydroprinting. And it eliminates more contaminants than any of the leading cleaners out there. And their lubricants provide excellent protection. We'll get to the lubricants maybe in another video. But I wanted to show you this because this is something that I've already cleaned with traditional cleaning solvents. The Hoppy's number 9, the oils, a little bit of carburetor cleaner to clean out the extra gunk. And this is from my Remington TAC 14. And this is a barrel that I've supposedly already cleaned. And it looks fairly clean down there, right? Didn't shoot a ton through it, but already cleaned it out. And I want to see how much more this Breakthrough Carbon Pro stuff we'll get out of it. So we'll get into that test in a second. I want to give you a little last bit of details on this. This is a water-based cleaner. However, it will not cause rust or any kind of damage. You do, of course, want to lubricate whatever you've cleaned with it afterwards. Okay? This is a heavy carbon remover. It will remove carbon, lead deposits, all sorts of other stuff. It's a proprietary blend of chemicals, surfactants, detergents, and degreasers, and it effectively neutralizes all corrosive residues. So if you use on black powder, you can use this. Okay? It works on everything from cars, firearms, aircraft, boats, motorcycles. So whatever you want to clean, this won't etch or damage any kind of surface. So what we're going to do is I'm going to set it up here. I'm going to kind of move the camera a little bit to the side so I can get in here and actually clean this. And I'm going to show you just how supposedly dirty this clean barrel is. All right, the one thing I've learned about this stuff is it doesn't have exactly a good oomph to it. When you spray it, it doesn't go very far. So you'll want to spray it on both ends of whatever you're cleaning. And spray it down there. Okay? And like that. Now I'm just going to let it sit for a minute. I don't want to let it all drip out. And the reason I have this white rag here is I want to show you what comes out. If you've ever used a brush, you know how that stuff splatters out all over the place. I want to show you the stuff that comes out. This has a very unique feel to it. It's almost like a sticky kind of, almost like a soap, but not. It's weird, but it works pretty well. So let's go push this through here. Now this was a clean bore brush too. I cleaned the bore brush out. Okay. And let's see. I'm not seeing much stuff come out the end, but I'm seeing a little come out, a little black. And I just give it 4 pushes through. Then I'm going to set up a patch and we're going to run it through here and see what we get out. So let me put a patch on the end here and see what comes out. So as not to cross-contaminate the patch, I am going to wipe down the rod itself. So, because you can see the rod is a little bit dirty. Okay. And we're just going to stick a patch on here. And we're going to run it through and see what supposedly I thought was clean. Because I used this on a different firearm. And I was shocked at the results. It's something that I knew was clean. I cleaned it myself and it came out filthy. So here we go. Let's see what we get. Now this one I cleaned pretty good. So I'm not sure we're going to get much. Look at, wow. Will you look at that? That almost even looks like a little bit of rust, and I know there's no rust in there. That is insane. That's just crazy. All right, so I'm going to run some patches through this. I won't bore you with it on camera, and I'll save the patches, and I'll show you how many patches it took to get this fully cleaned out. All right, so this is the 5th patch, plus I put a paper towel down the barrel, too, because I was just getting frustrated. I couldn't get a clean patch to come out, and it's finally coming out clean, okay? Now, of course, you want to lubricate after doing this, and we will do that off camera after the end of the video. But I did want to let you guys know how effective this stuff is. It's absolutely amazing. Now, I will say this. This was a brand new firearm when I purchased it. I put about, I don't know, maybe 100 rounds through it. And after that, of course, there's going to be a little residual kind of finishing stuff. If you've ever parkerized anything, you know what that is like. It gets all rusty and slimy. No matter how much oil you put in there, there's going to be a little surface rust impregnated in the product itself. So that's probably why some of that is coming out kind of looking brownish. But the dirt that came out was just amazing too. I mean, that first patch, you can see there's dirt and fouling on there, along with the kind of little bit of that stuff too. So now all that is out of the barrel. That is chemically clean now. It's completely emptied and clean. Better than this, I would say the only way you're going to do that is with ultrasonic cleaner, all right? Because that is the only way you're going to get it cleaner than that. And finally, after the 5th patch, I did 4 patches and 1 paper towel because it was just kept coming out dirty no matter what I did. After that one, I'm able to come out with it almost perfectly clean. So if you haven't tried this stuff, again, I kind of thought it was a bunch of hocus pocus BS when I saw it. And I was like, yeah, sure, that's better. You know, there's so much hype in the cleaning solvent world. You know, we all remember Frog Lube and all that other stuff. So, and Seal One, that stuff never, for me, it never turned out to be that great. Temporarily, it was great, but not permanently. So this stuff is really, really good. If you can check it out, I do have a link down below in my Amazon stores for a larger one and a smaller one as well. But if you check the breakthrough page on Amazon, you'll see all the stuff they offer. They have solvents, oils, cleaners, everything. Even copper removers, which work very, very well from the videos I've seen. I'm going to try that next. I personally bought that in Walmart. I've been exposed to it in the past, seen it in a gun shop I worked in, and that gun shop moved away in 2017. But when I worked there, I saw it, and I was like, yeah, another new solvent, big deal. My Hoppy's number 9 is just fine. And I realized over the years that stuff evolves and things get a little better, and this is actually worth a try. So I tried it out again on this. I tried it on a 1911, and it worked very, very well. Tried it on this, and I was like, wow, what a difference. So you can see, even when you think it's clean, it's not as clean as this stuff can get it. So anyway, that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I don't do a lot of firearm stuff. I love shooting. I love all that. I love to show you a bunch of stuff, but YouTube doesn't allow us to do that. Shooting range videos are okay and cleaning videos and stuff, but you always have to wonder if you're going over the line with something. So I don't do a lot of it, but I do enjoy it, and I think this is something worth your while. So we are going to lubricate this when we're done, but I thank you guys for hanging out with me. Don't forget to check out all our links down below. Remember, I have our freeze-dried wholesalers link down there. I have all new desserts coming up from them. You're going to want to check this out because I've got an amazing discount and everything coming up. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you're into prepping and survival and preparedness, you may want to check out and subscribe to the channel down below there, okay? And see what's coming up from them because I have an amazing deal on it, and it's going to be all desserts and cool stuff, kind of morale booster type stuff. And after that, of course, we have our Amazon affiliate store. This will be in the store too. Don't forget to check that out. Even if there's nothing in the store you like, just click that link, shop as you normally would. It really helps out the channel. We do appreciate when you do that because it lets us bring cool stuff to you on here. Below that is our My Patriot Supply link. That's preparewithiridium.com, preparewithiridium.com. Don't forget to check that out. We got some awesome deals. We have the 3-month kit on there. It's $300 off or $200 off. It's under $600 for 3 months worth of emergency food. If you've got nothing and you're just getting started out, that's the way to go. You can always supplement and add stuff after, but at least you have a base to start with. And of course, our Thrive Life freeze-dried food store. Remember, you don't need to join anything to try out Thrive Life. You can always just go online, buy a few things, see if you like it. If you like it, you can become a delivery customer and get a delivery every month from $50 and up. If you want to find out that you have friends that might want it, you may want to be a consultant and make a little money on the side doing it. Anyway, folks, I thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay prepared.